It's raining. Are we recording? I think I'm recording. Check out the rain. It's September 10th, 2011, and everybody else seems to be trying to get rain. This is Ohio, we get rain. Boy, do we get rain. Wanna go play in the rain, Franklin? No? Anybody want a shower? Oh Lord. It's gotta be really good for the downspouts, huh? That's our leaf guard. You're not supposed to do that. At least it's a good source of water in case the power goes out and we can't get the water out through the pump. Eat your heart out, Ruthie in Texas. You could put your fires out in nothing flat, wouldn't it? Breezy, too. It's about 70 right now. Kind of comfortable.